Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah. On this walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to give you a tour of this brand new 2023 Globetrotter 25-foot front bed queen bed. Join me. As always, I'm going to start off with a little bit of data about this model specifically. This is a 2023 Globetrotter 25-foot front bed queen bed. It has a dark walnut interior and the Dublin slate color scheme. It is 25 feet 11 inches from the rear bumper to the front hitch. It's 8 feet 5.5 inches wide outside, 8 feet 1 inches wide inside, 9 feet 9 inches tall outside. That includes the air conditioning. 6 feet 7.5 inches tall inside. It has a hitch weight of 885 pounds. Its base weight empty is 6,100 pounds. You have a 1,200 pound cargo carrying capacity. Therefore, your gross vehicle weight rating of this trailer is 7,300 pounds. It has the new Coleman 15,000 BTU air conditioner with a heat pump. Your tank capacities are 37 fresh, 35 gray, and 40 black. This particular model is a 30 amp service. It has the convection oven microwave upgrade. This model does not have a solar package on it, but it is pre-wired for solar should you decide for us to put some on for you. The queen bed up front measures 60 inches wide by 75 inches long. This convertible dinette bed back here would be 34 inches wide and 80 inches long. This model can sleep up to 6 people. It has 17 windows and skylights in here. Let's go check out the rig. Back here in the living area of the Globetrotter, we have our upper cabinet here with your entertainment system. So it has an inverter outlet up here so you can run a DVD player if you want to put one in since they've taken them out, or a Roku stick or an Apple TV or something like that can be ran on an inverter up here. I'm going to plug right into your HDMI port, which goes to both TVs. You still have this very nice Fusion radio here, touchscreen. It has XM radio and all sorts of fun things on it. And then you have a USB charging port up here to charge your cell phone or other devices. You got storage on this side. There's no power in this rig right now, but all these cabinets are backlit. When you open the door, the light comes on. It's really nice. I've got the booth seat set up right now, but there is a second table that would go right here in this hole, and this cushion down here goes away. It does make a nice space. One possible problematic feature of this is this table can be kind of wobbly depending on the weight you have sit on it. So if you're doing something heavy, like a big computer or a big computer screen or heavy dishes and things like that, probably not ideal for a single table. You may want to set up both tables for that because it's much more sturdy. Have plenty of storage down below, so underneath this table is 2 storage bins that slide back inside here on both sides. You have a storage compartment under this seat I'm sitting in, and you have bins under the rest of the couch over there. Right here in your front of your living space, you have this nice TV, which is adjustable and can be swiveled around and moved around should you desire to do that. And again, if you bring your own device with you, you can plug it into your HDMI port and it will run to this TV here and the one in the bedroom. And you have a little cubby hole up here for storing whatever things you need. Your control panels down here for your inverter and then your water pump and tank gauges. Over here in the galley area, I have this really nice deep sink. And one of my favorite features is the sink cover because it splits in half and I can leave half of it off and still have my counter space here. You also have 2 separate receptacles up here, composting trash cans, a regular trash can, whatever you want to use it for, or just a normal storage. Here you have your 3-burner gas cooktop with range hood oven and vent fan. And then this model again is equipped with the convection oven microwave, which does all the things and is really impressive. It's an air fryer, it's a baking oven, it's a microwave, it's a grill, it's a food dehydrator. It does all sorts of fun things and it's really, really nice. And up top here you have, again, backlit, normally backlit, but storage compartments up top. Over here beside your cooking space is a pull-out pantry with adjustable shelves, which is really nice. And you have a pretty deep storage compartment up top here. You also have plenty of storage down below. A small door here, a pull-out pantry, and plenty of drawer space underneath your sink. Over here across from your cooking area is your refrigerator, so you have a fridge up top, very spacious fridge here, and you have your freezer at the bottom. You also have a little storage compartment down here below and one above your fridge. Here in your hallway is a very nice, very deep closet here to store clothing. You have a big shelf up top. You have your nice size shower here and your bathrooms across the hall. Welcome to the bedroom. This very nice queen size bed here with storage underneath. You have your TV here which swivels around, your air conditioning controls, plenty of extra closet space over here, hanging to two drawers here. And then over on that side, you still have your upper cabinets. Thanks for joining me today on this Walkthrough Wednesday. Should you have any questions about this particular model, or any other model for that matter, check out our website, give us a call, send us an email, better yet, stop by. We'd love to show you around in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.